Hey guys, Octo here. Doing another sticker series, and we'll get started. But like I was saying in a different video, StreamYards decided to increase the prices, so I may have to stop the sticker series. I'll have to check on EV Max or Mux, however you want to EV Max, however you want to pronounce it. See what kind of pricing I can get and how long I can do videos for on it. See if it's going to be worth the price. But $50 a month is not worth the price of doing these stickers. Unfortunately, I just don't have the views for it or the money. So, I mean, if I was affiliate and everything, and making money off from YouTube, I wouldn't mind just doing it. But with me having to pay out of pocket, it's hurting. So I'm going to try to get as many of these sticker videos done as possible before the October 4th, because that's when this ends. So I'll be posting videos every day, besides the days I go live, but I will get all these done, as many as I can done with, and then just put it on YouTube and have YouTube put it on every single day. So right now I'm hitting like in October 7th, I think, for videos. So I do have a little bit done, but again, at some point I'm going to try to get all the stickers I got and everything I want done as a video beforehand, but there's just no guarantee that that's going to happen. But I will continue to put out videos, and then the last video I upload before it ends, I will say this is the last video for StreamYard. I'll and let you know if I can make it, and for the EV Mux Max or whatever you want to call it for videos. And if so, how many videos I can. I'm not sure how much, how many videos I could do, so I don't even know if it's going to be worth the money to actually spend the extra money on it. But if not, then I might do a live stream with stickers and do stickers for a few hours. I don't know yet. We'll figure out something to do. But I'm not going to pay out. I can't afford it. I mean, bottom line, just the way money is, I don't have the extra money to keep forking out on stuff. I mean, that's not on you guys or anything else. It's just, when someone has an income, you have X amount of dollars, and if you don't have the extra money for something, you don't get it. So, and that's where I'm pretty much at. So, let's see, what did you next? But unfortunately, I'm not saying it's going to be tomorrow. Like I said, I got some videos stored up, so that does help. But at some point, either I run out of stickers to do, and everything else I got planned for like videos, or unless I can get it cheap enough on a different platform or something to do videos, I just, bottom line, I can't afford it. And I'm not affiliate, so I don't get any revenue or anything from YouTube. So that just cuts it down even more of a chance. So. But I mean, we'll make do one way or another, guys. But I just, I mean, there's several unboxing videos I can do. It just all depends on if I can find the right price for me to do the videos on. Because I could do a daily Temu haul. I mean, I got enough stickers, enough diamond dots and stuff to do for Temu on getting it to doing unboxing for and stuff. So, but I mean, I'd like to try to get affiliate on here, and maybe get some sponsorship, maybe something for crocheting or the models or something like that. I mean, but no, I'd love to do something like that, and give you guys a code and give you a discount, and help you guys out. Not sure if I mean, the diamond dot, that's going to be probably a little bit of an issue, maybe. I don't know. Again, I got to get my numbers up, more subscribers, more views for them to even consider me doing something like that. So, but hitting 72 to 75 or 76 subscribers isn't going to get that to that point just yet. But I mean, the numbers is gradually coming up. I just hope they stay up. I mean, because no offense, guys, just me doing lives and chit chatting with you guys. It's fun, but if I'm not getting people out and stuff, I mean, it's not really fun talking to yourself, guys. Not trying to put a pressure on anyone or anything, but if you guys want me to, share my videos out or my streams out, or show up and say hi at least. You even if you watch it, after a stream or whatever, and you say, "Hey, great video" or something, at least I know I have people watching. Because, like I said, you know, yes, I know I'm a guy and everything, and you know, I don't talk that much. I just don't, not unless I have someone to talk to. I mean, it's just, well, I don't know if it has to do with a guy or whatever. I'm just a quiet person, guys. Yes, I'm very quiet, so for the most part. Now, you get me talking with people up on the panel about just different things, having a good time, then, you know, and yeah, I say some stupid crap, super silly crap and everything, but, you know, I just, I don't know. Okay, I got 2 dots left. Give me a second, guys. That's not enough to finish that up. So I actually have to open up this one. Wait a minute. No, I don't. I didn't. I forgot I had a little bit more left. Duh, I'm silly. See, just like that stuff. Something dumb just because I didn't realize I had more sitting in a container. I tell you, I wonder about myself sometimes. But like I said, 100 subs, I will be doing a giveaway and wearing a wig. So, guys, that is that for the bear. And there you go. I'm calling her a bear. It looks like a bear to me. Maybe it's not. If not, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think it is. But have a good one, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Share it out. Turn on notification bell. Also hit that like button. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.